Yeah.
He hangs out with all those, theoretical physicists.
Modern theoretical physics, if I'm going to describe a unified field theory.
Theoretical anymore.
Holes you speak of are merely theoretical.
The inevitable and theoretical responsibility for that.
A nuclear physicist, a theoretical philosopher.
It is not theoretical.
It's a theoretical, Max. So it's never been tested.
Theoretical physics.
Purely theoretical. So far, no one has been able to.
Brian, he just, you know Brian.
Yeah.
He hangs out with all those, theoretical physicists and all that.
No internet.
No?
On the computer.
空母6隻を中心勢力とする先日の海軍大学における図上演習は成功を収めましたが、本日の図上作戦は
Permission
for me to meet Bastianini.
I sanction the theoretical exploration of what price Italy.
Post-Olympiad, of course, I'll need to branch out into modern theoretical physics if I'm going to describe a unified field theory for the four fundamental forces of nature. And you want...
Guess what? Somebody else had it yesterday. It's not theoretical anymore. Are you listening to me?
On Earth.
Doctor, isn't it true that these wormholes you speak of are merely theoretical predictions? There is no evidence they actually exist, is there?
I must accept, as every captain must accept, the inevitable and theoretical responsibility for that. The actual and...
I am a writer, a doctor, a nuclear physicist, a theoretical philosopher. But above all, I am...
Today, the subject is limited war. It is not theoretical. On it depends the kind of weapons we use, where we look.
30 knots can't be the absolute max. No, it's a theoretical max. So it's never been tested? No. So, now the dish can take more than... We don't know.
So where did you transfer from?
Neil, theoretical physics. Came here to study with Barack. You're applied physics, right?
Now, I should emphasize that such an approach is purely theoretical. So far, no one has been able to accomplish such constructions.
Or another as a surgeon at Johns Hopkins, as a theoretical submolecular high-velocity particle research physicist on a federal grant.
These are only theoretical.
Well, in a theoretical sense, yes, I am.
Language and science.
Ian is a theoretical physicist from Los Alamos. You'll be reporting to me, but you'll be working with him when you're in the shop.
Hired to design a program. My job was about data. It was about math. It was about theoreticals. That's it.
Yes, but this glitch was still a result of a program you designed.
It is the view of the ministry that a theoretical knowledge will be sufficient to get you through your examinations, which, after all...
There are superficial similarities to disease.
It's only a theoretical concept. There are many ways to order that data.
I must confess, I find it difficult to believe in...
Because there's a difference between a theoretical world of philosophy bullshit and real life.
Well, I don't know. It's a theoretical question, so I haven't really given this any thought. Mr. Ben, Tom.
And
Biology? Of course, that's mostly on the theoretical side.
Well, so far.
Succumb to her own theoretical Cassandra disease?
Yeah, maybe.
Hibernation technology is proprietary. The following articles deal with the subject on a theoretical level.
Spiele. Theoretische Invasionen. Ach, und dafür der weite Weg nach Rennes.
Political science. She was the only applicant.
An Einstein-Rosen bridge is a theoretical connection between two different points of space.
It's a wormhole.
I did the theoretical figuring. It was the math. I calculated how much...
Finding the Invisible Man.
Yeah, it's about a theoretical suspect that he believed was responsible for a bunch of child abductions. It's totally discredited.
I just want to go to college.
Do you speak 6 languages? You have high math, theoretical physics.
But this is what I'm talking about.
Going to teach you.
Education and riot control. Academically excelled in theoretical coursework and final year examinations.
received the Baton of Honor. Graduate.
I'm sorry, you're saying there's a multiverse?
Because I thought that was just theoretical. I mean, that completely changes how we understand the initial singularity we're talking about.
Electrical wires, computers, cars, transistors. Of course, it's all theoretical. It's never happened before.
Well, then it's not so theoretical then, is it?